Hey Jake, it's Albert here again real quick. I just want to go over one more thing here. So I noticed you did say you deleted or you changed your domain for your funnel, so you deleted your SMTP. So I'm not exactly sure why, but just so you understand, just to clarify, there's no need. So if you're in any of these funnels here, right? So say you're here, you just want to change your domain, right? So say you select another domain, you can just simply make a selection or the empty space, right? So that no domain is selected here. Okay, that's not going to affect your SMTP at all. All right. So if you decide to choose this one, right, as opposed to this one, you can do that. All right. Let me see. Yeah. So if you choose either one of these, right? So obviously you have this one set up. If you decide to choose this one, that's all you have to do. Just make this selection. All right. And then go through, save and update settings. All right. And you should be good to go. All right, as long as those records are all set up in your SMTP, meaning your SMTP records, right? So as I went over in the other video, as long as your SMTP is set up, you're good to go. You can just come in here and just make a selection and decide to go with this domain. You don't have to change anything in your SMTP records because those are separate, right? Yes, they are connected to your domain or your account here. I mean, right? But these function separately. So these are already set up and good to go, and they're secured in your account, right? So those are connected, those are good to go, and then your SMTP is good to go. So all you have to do is just come in here, make a selection, right? Update, save and update, and you're done. Your domain will now be connected to this funnel. The only thing you would have to do is specifically is go into the background to the domain and then make sure this home page is selected, right? So I would go here and go to, I think you've already done this obviously, so you would probably know. So yeah, see, so you would just come back here and make sure this is on the correct home page and your error page is on the correct error page, right? Okay, see, so right here, we recommend go ahead and select the same page, your home page that you have your default page set on, all right? That way any errors occur, instead of them getting just a random ClickFunnels error page account, an error page pop-up, sorry, it will be taken, it will redirect them directly here, okay? That's why we suggest that, okay? All right, I hope that clears that up. And let me know if you need any more help. All right, thanks.